Are you serious right now? One on each side. Bam, bam. These clouds come in. It may be topwater time. Oh, got a fish. It may be, but right now, you know what time it is? He just spit a fish out. Oh, what is that? What is that? Let me see if I can get it. Just spit one out. What is that? What is that? I ain't even worried about that little dude. Let's see what he spit out. That's what they're eating. Oh, look at this. What's that? What is that? Oh my goodness. Do you guys see what I see? That is the same size. He got the same face. Are you two related? It could be destiny. I'm gonna put this bait up, but we're on the opposite side. If you remember the first time that Emily fished with the channel, she had almost this exact bait fishing from that way, thrown about where I'm at. Got it. I got that. I saw that tail sticking up. Kind of cheating. That, my friends, is a giant. Shazing, shazang. You are not going to hook me. Not today. Not today, my friend. That is about a, I don't know. We've caught some big bass today. None of them on the NRX rod. So if you guys see me listing NRX rods for sale, mind your business. Something about them, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not meant to catch big bass on them. But there we go. Let's get a quick weight. We got the scale out. We got everything going. I'm just getting ready. We got this cloud cover. And I was just getting ready to hit topwater. Just over 3, 10, 12. So not 3.5, but very nice largemouth bass though. Gonna jump, I know it. Oh, just about took my thumb off. Redemption is at hand, my friend.